Hello, my name is Mike. Do you want to be successful with crypto trading, but do you feel overly overloaded with the flood of training and seminar offers? Are you fed up with constantly having to spend a lot of money and time before you can finally harvest profits with crypto trading? Or you're already a successful trader, but tired of spending so much time in front of a computer, tablet or smartphone instead of spending time with the beautiful in life? Time with your family, friends, sports, or at the beach or in the nature. If only one of these situations applies to you, you should continue to watch this video. I'll give you free information on how you can put an end to this drama right away. I'll give you free step-by-step instructions that really function so you can stop this drama immediately and you can earn right away with cryptocurrency trading, and it's fully automated. Yes, you heard that right, fully automated. To get these free step-by-step instructions, enter your name and email address at the right of this video and then click on the button, Yes, I want this info. And in a few seconds, you will have all this important information in your email mailbox, and it's free. In a few minutes, you'll learn how to earn money with cryptocurrency trading, even if you turn off your computer for 1 to 2 weeks to take time with the beautiful in life. You only need to make your desired settings beforehand, example, stop loss and take profit. What that is exactly, I will tell you in the free information that you get after you clicked on the button, Yes, I want this info. And that's not all. Furthermore, you will learn how Passive Income Turbo works. This turbo is an additional powerful income opportunity so you can transfer money even faster into your trading account or into your bank account. Enter your name and email address right next to this video and click the button, Yes, I want this info. And in a few seconds, you will have all the important information in your email inbox free of charge. If you do not receive the email immediately, do not panic. Please look into your spam folder. See you soon. Yours, Mike.